Hey guys, it's Glenn from glenscarcollection.com, and we haven't done a McLaren video in a while, so here we go. Now in this video, we're going to talk about it was a record sales year for McLaren, and watch this video all the way through to find out why. Remember, if you like what you see on this channel, hit the subscribe button. Remember to like and share these videos so our channel can grow, and as always, leave a positive comment below. If you're already a subscriber, hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. I post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And browse the channel at your convenience. We have over 600 car videos on this channel, probably the most of any YouTube channel. So if you're interested in a car, just Google Glenn's Car Collection and the name of the car, and I guarantee that I've driven it. All right, so McLaren. McLaren had a record sales year last year in 2018, where they sold 4,806 cars globally. Now that's an increase of almost 44% compared to 2017, where they sold 3,340 cars. What do you think the biggest market for McLaren is? North America, which accounts for 1/3 of its sales. Now, in Europe, sales increased as well, 44.2%. The biggest leap is China. China actually increased sales 122%. Now, China right now only accounts for 7% of global McLaren sales, which is a very low number, but obviously that has could be a tremendous increase over the years. Now, how come sales are doing so well? Well, they're great cars. They're still built by hand. Remember, only 20 of these cars can be built per day since they're built by hand in the McLaren factory. But for 2018, they had two great cars. And McLaren, unlike Ferrari and Lamborghini, does not want to make any SUVs. So accounting for the sales is the 570S Spider and the 720S. So they actually had two, great cars for sale at the same time, and that accounted for, the sales. Now, what you're looking at here in this video is my 2017 McLaren 570S Coupe, and we've had this car for about 6 months already. So I have to do a 6-month review of this car. Check out our 1,000-mile review that I posted maybe or so a month ago or 2 months ago. And obviously we've driven the car some more, and when I get a chance, the weather's just getting nice here in New Jersey, I will film a 6-month review of the car. I'll tell you, why I chose the McLaren over the equivalent Ferrari or Lamborghini. How's the running cost been so far? Is it everything I hoped it would be? And, what I like about the car and what I don't like about the car. So I see some really good things ahead for McLaren. They're going to come out with a lot more models. Maybe that's not good for people that bought their cars new, because I think they got to keep trading up for the new model, and I'm sure that's McLaren's intention. Now, McLaren actually also increased their sales in the United Kingdom, obviously. They had a 49% increase there. And McLaren in 2018, according to those statistics, McLaren is the 40th largest car brand in Britain. I don't think I can name 30 other car brands. Can you? If you can, leave it in the comments below. All right, guys, let me know what you think of McLaren and how they're doing. Should they be coming out with all these models? What do you think of the 570S? What do you think of the 720S? I think these are probably the best cars you can buy in the market today. I think a good way to buy them is slightly used. I bought my 2017 car for a substantial discount because it only had one owner and 5,000 miles. And I'll give you a little spoiler of it. It's probably my favorite car I've ever driven and my favorite car I've ever owned. So remember to hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, so you don't miss that 6-month review. Thanks again, guys, for watching. Remember to like and share these videos and leave a comment below with your thoughts on McLaren. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.